Welcome back to our tutorial series on Microsoft Office apps. Today, we'll discuss how to export PDFs from Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, highlighting some of the benefits of using PDFs. PDFs, or portable document format files, are widely used because they preserve the formatting and layout of your document, ensuring it looks the same on any device or platform. PDFs are secure, easy to share without risk of unintentional edits, and often smaller in file size compared to their original formats, making them ideal for distribution and storage. To export a PDF from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, open your document, workbook, or presentation. Go to the File tab and select Export. Choose Create PDF XPS document and then click Create PDF in the dialog box that appears. Give your file a name, select the location where you want to save it, and click Publish. This process is consistent across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Exporting your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files as PDFs is a simple and effective way to ensure your documents are professional, secure, and easy to share. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.